Have you ever caught your cat staring at what seems like absolutely nothing? One moment they're lounging, the next, fixed gaze, silent and intense. Some owners joke, maybe the cat sees a ghost. But there are actually very logical reasons behind the blank stare that many cats display. First, let's consider vision. Cats' eyes are built for low light, with a lot of rod cells and fewer color-sensing cones. This helps them detect movement and subtle contrasts we might miss. That means when your cat is watching a seemingly blank wall, they might actually be tracking a tiny insect, a flicker of dust, or a shadow of light moving just enough for their ultra-keen senses. Next, hearing. Cats' ears pick up frequencies way beyond our range. We might register up to around 20,000 hertz. Cats can go far higher. So when they stare at a wall, it might not be the wall at all, but a pipe rattling in the wall, a mouse scratching somewhere behind drywall, or a distant hum we can't hear. Pop culture loves the ghost theory. Is my cat seeing spirits? While it's fun to imagine, no scientific evidence supports that cats commune with ghosts. But what they are very good at is noticing things that we simply cannot. That may feel uncanny, even spooky to us. Occasionally, though, prolonged staring might signal something else. For older cats, extended periods of blank stare might be tied to cognitive decline, sometimes called feline cognitive dysfunction. And in rare cases, staring could accompany a focal seizure, when the cat seems zoned out, maybe twitching slightly, unresponsive for a short moment. If your cat is otherwise behaving normally, eating, playing, grooming, then these strange stares are likely just part of their feline supersenses at work. So what should you do? If your cat stares occasionally, it's usually nothing to worry about. Perhaps give them extra toys, scratch posts, or interactive play to channel their predatory energy. If staring becomes obsessive or is paired with odd signs like disorientation, loss of appetite, or head pressing, then a vet visit is definitely wise. In the end, the next time your furry friend fixes their gaze at what seems like nothing, you can smile and think, they're just tapping into their hidden senses, the flicker, the sound, the vibration we can't catch. And that's just one more quirky, fascinating reason why we love cats so much.